Hello friends, in this video we're going to see about the simple Excel basic things. Means checkbox. First one is checkbox. How can we create a checkbox in Excel sheet? Then how can we change the color of the checkbox linked cell in the Excel? So first we're going to create a to see that how can we create a checkbox in the Excel sheet. So just go to the developer option in the Excel upside bar. If if you don't have how to enabling the developer option, just go to home, click home page, and right click on it, and just click customize the ribbon, and then go to the right side. That is the developer option. Just you need to just tick this and click OK. After that, you're getting this developer option. So after the getting developer option, you can just go. You can see the insert option. So just click insert. You can see multiple options. Here we just going to select the checkbox. So just select this checkbox and going to paste here. According to the size, we can able to customize the checkbox. So we can just create the checkbox. So we just formulated the checkbox for this thing. So first thing is completed. Now we're going to change the color of the checkbox, like this thing. If I want to click the checkbox, means I can get the option of see the whole thing is getting colored. If other options like here I'm just checkbox only change. There is nothing changes in this color. So we can just for that how can we go to first just right click on the checkbox. You can get the format option, format control. Just go to the format control and just you need to link the cell. Like link the cell means you just select the nearby other empty cell means unused cell in the Excel sheet. So I'm selecting the C3. So just click OK. So fine. Now we're going to this first option which is going to change the color of this thing. So just select this option. Just go to the home page and just select conditional forwarding. Then create a new rule. After selecting new rule, you can just choose the option of use the formula to determine which cell to format. So I'm just selecting and going to select the cell format. What kind of changes we're going to do? Like fill effects, like this, and I needed here only this change the color. So go to the fill and just click here green. So I'm just click OK. Fine. This is like this. This is a preview. We can get output like this. Just click OK finally. So after clicking this, the true false only value changing. So what the thing is we're going to do, just we select this and just go to the conditional forwarding and just click a new rule and determine this thing and select these option means if C3 getting true, this condition will work. So what the condition we're going to apply means formatting the cell. So we change the color of the cell. So right, if C3 is going to true, this condition will apply. It means this for rule will getting switch on. So click yes. So here you can see. So right, first option we just get after just clicking this checkbox, you can get the see the changes different between these checkbox and these checkbox. So right, these one thing. If you want to go to the fill these color means what you need to do same thing. Like if you just go to the first select this V4 and go to conditional forwarding, new rule, and use the formula determine which cell. Then here we're going to sorry, 1 minute. We did not apply the condition for this thing. First, we need to link the cell. So right click on the checkbox, format control, and click here. And I'm going to link this cell. So then click OK. First step is complete. Then click here and go to the formatting, because this box going to change the color I needed this box. So I'm just select here and go to the conditional formatting and new rule. Then use the formula determine, and here I'm just going to okay. After thing you can get the output I'm just clicking here, conditional forwarding, new rule, thing, and just select this equal to true. As well as I'm adding this one equal to true. Format is green. So just click OK, then OK. Now I'm just going to click is to get this screen. Why? Yeah. Finally, we get the output. If click here and just we can get the value is true. We check off it will our rule will apply. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.